Have you ever had a near-death experience? Chances are, you probably have. Well, what if I told you that, because of that, we could prove that you are immortal, all through the power of a cat and a cardboard box? Well, not exactly. First, we'll have to go over a concept I'm sure you've all heard about, Schrodinger's cat.
What the heck is that?
In this case, let's take a cat in the box and give it an electron. The electron is connected to a button outside the box, and in this case, let's say that we give the cat a little present. A nuclear bomb. Okay, so now let's make it that the nuclear bomb is hooked to go off when the electron is spinning clockwise, but nothing will happen if it's spinning counterclockwise. The button outside the box determines the electron's spin direction at random. So basically, if we press the button, the cat has a 50-50 chance of surviving. Now, you might think that the cat is either dead or alive, but actually, according to quantum mechanics, everything inside the box is in something called a superposition, which means that two states are meshed into one. In a way, this means that the cat is both dead and alive, the electron is both clockwise and counterclockwise, and the bomb is both exploded and not? So what does this have to do with immortality? Well, when we observe the superposition, it splits into a single outcome. In this case, the cat made out alive. But according to popular many worlds interpretation, when this split happens, the superposition isn't the only thing that's split. The universe itself splits into different outcomes. Meaning that when I check the box, the universe split in two, one where the cat dies and one where the cat lives. Now, here's the cool part. Let's replace the cat with you. And repeat this process 200 times. And at this point, we've proved that you are immortal. But how? Well, we know that each time you press the button, the universe splits into one where you live and one where you die. But the you that dies can't experience anything. Only the one who lives can keep on going. So from your perspective, you always wake up in the version where you live. This exact same thing happens in a near-death experience. And even with low chances, quantum immortality proves that physics can be philosophical. Isn't that right, Gub Gub?